Hello, guys, and welcome back to Learn English through Speeches. So, let's get started. Today, I want to talk about a quality that I believe is essential for success in any aspect of life: perseverance. Perseverance is the ability to persist in the face of challenges, obstacles, and setbacks. It is the determination to keep going even when things seem impossible. Perseverance is what separates the achievers from the quitters. It is what helps us overcome fear, doubt, and uncertainty. Winston Churchill, the former Prime Minister of Britain, said, "Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that count." I do like to share a personal story. When I was in school, I struggled with mathematics. I failed multiple times, but I didn't give up. I sought help, practiced consistently, and eventually mastered the subject. In conclusion, perseverance is the key to unlocking our potential. It helps us build resilience, character, and determination. So, the next time you face a challenge, remember that perseverance is the bridge between failure and success. Thanks for watching. See you very soon. Take care.